In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share your registry link. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go on Etsy and how to grab a shareable link you can send to friends and family. Before we start, make sure you've already created a registry and that you're signed in to the correct Etsy account that manages it. Open Etsy in your web browser or the Etsy app. If you're using a computer, head to the Etsy homepage and confirm you're logged in. On mobile, launch the app and sign in if you're not already. Being in the right account matters because the sharing option only appears for registries you own. From the Etsy homepage, look for the registry section. On desktop, you'll typically see registry in the main navigation. On mobile, tap the menu icon to reveal it. If you don't immediately see it, use the search bar and type registry to jump straight to the registry area. This brings you to Etsy's registry hub. Next, choose the registry you want to share. If you have multiple registries, select the one that fits the occasion, like a wedding or baby registry. Once you're on the correct registry, find and click Manage your registry. This opens the Manager view, which is where Etsy places the sharing tools you need. Now look for the Share button. It's usually near the top of the page or in the Actions area, and it may appear as a button labeled Share or as a share icon. Click it, and Etsy will either copy your unique link to the clipboard automatically or open your device's sharing options. If you see a confirmation that says link copied, you're set. If a share sheet appears, you can choose how you want to send it right away. With the link copied, paste it into a message, email, group chat, or wherever you prefer to invite people to browse your registry. It's a good idea to add a short note so recipients know it's your official registry and what event it's for. If you're sharing publicly, make sure you're comfortable with anyone being able to view the items. A quick tip: if someone says they can't open the link, check your registry's visibility. It should be set to a shareable or public option so guests can access it without signing in. You can also test the link yourself by opening it in a private or incognito window. That's it. You've opened Etsy, navigated to your registry, managed it, and shared the link. Keep your registry updated so guests always see accurate items and availability. Thanks for watching, and happy sharing.